Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Amana stove F1E0 error in 2026. Now, this particular error typically indicates a communication failure between the control board and the display, or a memory error within the electronic oven control. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to go to your home's circuit board panel and flip the switch for the stove to off, or pull the stove away from the wall and unplug the power cord from the outlet. After doing so, you just have to do nothing but to just simply perform a hard reset on the electronic control system. So you need to simply leave the stove without power for about 10 to 15 minutes to allow the capacitors on the main control board to fully discharge and clear any temporary software glitches or memory errors. Now you can also restore the power to the unit and check the display. If the code persists, you will need to access the back of the control panel. So remove the screws securing the rear access panel using a nut driver, and locate the ribbon cable for that connects the user interface to the oven control board. So you can try these easy fixes and see if the oven is now working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.